What is up, everyone? This is Multi-Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error code 0xc007000d. So let's get right into it. So there's a few quick ways to fix this. The first thing you want to do is type in troubleshoot settings in your search bar until you see this pop up. Click into additional troubleshooters, and then click into the Windows Update and run this specific troubleshooter. This is going to basically run it, make sure everything is good to go over here, and then you want to kind of, if it finds you an issue there, let it resolve it, and then try to do the update. If this does not fix it for you, the next thing you want to do is type in services into your search bar until you see this pop up. Type in Windows until you see Windows Update pop up. Right click into this. If it's running, restart it. If not, right click it, go to properties, start this process, and then change it from manual to automatic. And do the same for Windows Update Medic service as well. Once you do these two steps, restart your computer, try to update again, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash the like. Guys on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Multi-Tutorials out. Peace.